There we go. Good.
Good shot. Up is up. Up is up.
Yo, that was a good one. That was a good one. KTM, you gonna sponsor us or no? KTM, all type of flavors, whichever one you want. Oh yeah!
I gotta keep my eye on David. You go first.
Yeah.
You go first. You're gonna go follow you up.
Yo, you don't have to gas this shit hard. This is a nice 300, same thing as this. Easy on the throttle, and ride it up, bro. Ride it up. Easy on the throttle. Don't let it go too low, but easy on the throttle, and she go right up this joint. Easy. You want me to do it first so you can see? So you can get a line.
Let me see the line first, bro.
And you could use second, but this is in third, so you can just get an idea.
Wait for him up there. I'm gonna follow behind him.
What happened?
Wait for him up there. I'm gonna follow behind him.
All right. Come on, slow and easy. Make sure you keep traction. Yeah, there you go. Keep that traction. Keep that traction. There you go. Hit. And I put the little rocks there to make it easier for y'all. Oh, almost. There you go.
Bro,
You got it? You got it?
I think so.
Alright.
I would have smacked the shit.
Yeah, this is why I put rocks right here, because if you hit this shit sideways, it slides you. Here you gotta really come committed to clear. Shit, my man said I'm taking another route. Let's go, baby. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, yo, clear. We got one more left, right? Oh no, two more. High five. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Come on. There you go. Come on. Come on. There you go. Good spot. Let's go. Finish it off. There you go. There you go. There you go. You saw how you slipped the clutch at the end right there?
Yes.
Perfect. That's how. That's what you got to do. Yeah, it's too much. It's too much, bro. It's too much. ¿Para dónde va esa? We don't connect. Keep going. They're at the top. I got him, don't worry. Come on. There you go. There you go. There you go. This is a tractor. No need to be in such a low gear. The junk got so much torque. Oh hey, no. Use me like you can, like that you can.
Alright, so where is my line? I should go straight up.
Right up that middle, right up the middle. Just make sure that you don't hit the roots sideways, because if you hit the roots sideways, it slides.
Oh my God.
It's easy, bro. The suspension does everything. Suspension does everything. Just make sure lightly off your butt and you chilling. Watch.
Off the bike, right?
Well, here I don't know how much speed you're gonna catch.
Right.
But
I'm not in momentum, right?
just try to get momentum. Let the suspension work.
Now I should be in second gear, right?
Second, and use your clutch the same way you was doing it down here. Do it again. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. There you go. Just like that. Nice and easy. There you go. Nice and easy. Stop. Alright. Go ahead. No. There you go. Brutes are the death of you. Right there, chilling. Turn it. Roots can be killers, and that's all there is right here. All you gotta do is kind of use your body weight. See, there you go. That forward motion can do miracles.
I think this one should be bigger.
I want to try a new line.
Not bad. Got it?
Alright, hold on. Yeah! Yeah!
I'm done.
That's it. Up is up, right?
Up is up. I did it.
Oh, that just started tumbling.
Oh my god.
I think we're in the right now.
Damn! Bad jump.
Yeah. That shit about to be out.
Yeah.
It's a big ball.
I want to see how you're going to get up. Oh, 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 oh.
Yeah. I'll start recording. Yeah.
You know you bust your ass when you roll over, bro. Yeah.
Look, go right down there, Kutum. Yeah, right here. Go to the left.
Vamos.
There's all your momentum.
Pero ven. Huh?
You think I got it? Dale con Juan Luis.
Let's see what she gives. Second gear. Let me see. Up is up.
You go straight up here?
Bien, va bien.
Yo,
Va para atrás.
Mhm.
you think go straight this way?
You can, but y'all always there, so I ain't even know which way to go. This was the best way, nah.
That's what I'm saying, bro.
As soon as I hit the trunk, that shit just threw me this way.
Try this way.
Estaba heavy. Yeah, yeah. Claro, no puedo estar inventando tanto.